We're dealing with those cloudy skies throughout the UP, 36 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 7 miles per hour. Taking a look at those temperatures throughout the entire region. Towards the west, temperatures are in those upper 30s mostly, 37 in Ontonagon and Ironwood, 39 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 41 in Houghton. As we go towards the east, still a little bit cool in parts of the central UP, but the further east you go, 49 in St. Ignace, and like I mentioned in the central, 36 in Marquette, 36 in Ishpeming, and 39 in Munising. Looking at those winds, relatively calm in Ironwood at this moment, but the rest of the central and western UP seeing winds mostly coming out of the north or even out of the west. West at 6 in Escanaba, 7 in Iron Mountain out of the northwest, 6 in Houghton out of the north. Only exception right now, Munising coming out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour. Looking at the weather headlines as we go towards the weekend, we will be dealing with the rain, snow, showers thanks to a low pressure that's pretty much been persistent throughout Lake Superior the entire work week. Conditions are going to die down just for a moment on Saturday before we begin to deal with another system coming in throughout the next work week. But first, water vapor. We do see that some dry air starting to push to parts of the south. For us here in the north, though, we are dealing with a little bit of green, so that's still indicating some moisture in the atmosphere. So that's why we're keeping it with those cloud covers and some precipitation in the forecast. Not as widespread as it was earlier in the week, but still enough that it can shake things up. As we go towards the satellite radar, most of the rain, though, is in parts of the Appalachians. When it comes to the rain-snow mix, that's in parts of Minnesota and into Iowa. This will eventually slowly push its way closer to us as we go into Wednesday night and into your Thursday. The variety of showers that we'll be seeing from rain and snow will be on the scattered side, so it's not going to be widespread, but it depends on location. Depending where you are, that will depend what exactly you'll be seeing and when you'll be seeing it. Looking at the breakdown for your Wednesday, low pressure is still situated on the eastern shores of Lake Superior. Rain still possible in parts of the eastern portions of the UP. We could begin to see some of that snow coming into parts of the western portions of the UP going into your Wednesday night and into your Thursday. They will be getting the best chances of it, but that snow extends further towards the west into parts of the plains. For tomorrow on your Thursday, that frontal system with that low pressure is down in Quebec, pushing all the way down into parts of the Carolinas. For us, that rain-snow mix will become the main story, 30 to 40% chance, and that will extend into parts of northern lower Michigan. Looking at the FUTURECAST, just a lot of clouds and hit and miss showers throughout your Thursday and your Friday as that low pressure continues to slowly push its way further towards the east. By the time we go into your Saturday, we will begin to see a little bit of a clearing. When it comes to the snowfall amounts, they'll be best the further west you go, but accumulations will still be on the light side. Going into tonight, though, 31 degrees, that wintry mix still in the forecast, and like we previously mentioned, the snow more likelier the west you go, with those winds out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those winds will pick up a bit going into your Thursday. We could have gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to be in those mid-30s to almost 40 degrees, 38 in Crystal Falls, 36 in Ontonagon, 41 in Munising. And as we look at the next 7 days, the only good news we're going to have in this forecast will be Saturday and Monday, where we're going to see a little bit of sunshine coming in. The rest of the forecast looks rain-snow mix, temperatures in those upper 30s, morning lows close to the 30-degree mark.